Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stream Netflix on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to open your Netflix. So for this, you have to go to your Google Chrome and search for your Netflix. Now you have to minimize it. Now go to your Zoom app. Now click on New Meeting. Now here you will find the option of Share. You have to press on it. Now click on your Netflix. Press on Share. So this is how you can stream Netflix on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.